Hello students, how are you feeling today? Hope all are fine. Today we will read the poem of class 1 English chapter 3 After a Bath. Children, I am going to show you some pictures. Look at these pictures carefully. Okay, let's see the first picture. Which picture is this? ये किस चीज की पिक्चर है? Yes, this is a soap. Very good. Now look at the next picture. ये किस चीज की पिक्चर है? इस पिक्चर को देख के बताइए इसमें क्या है? यस, बकेट एंड मग. वेरी गुड. ओके, एंड लुक एट द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. व्हाट इज इट? कैन यू टेल मी? यस, दिस इज अ बाथ टब. वेरी गुड. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, टेल मी वन थिंग. व्हाई डू वी यूज दिस थिंग्स? एंड व्हेन वी यूज दिस थिंग्स? When do we use soap, bucket, mug, bathtub? Why do we use these things? हम इन चीज़ों का यूज़ कब करते हैं? क्यों करते हैं? Yes, very good. For bathing. Yes, for bathing. नहाने के लिए. Very good. We use these things for bathing. Now tell me, what do you do after bathing? After taking a bath, what do you do? अब नहाने के बाद क्या करते हो? You dry yourself, है ना? You dry yourself. Yes, you dry yourself by towel, है ना? Now a poem which we learn today is After a Bath, and poet of this poem is Eileen Fisher, है ना? So in this poem a child is talking about what he does after a bath. He says that after his bath he tries to wipe himself till he is dry. He further says that he has hands, fingers, toes, two wet legs and a shiny nose to dry. He then asks the reader to imagine if he were a dog and how much less time he would take to dry just by some shaking, है ना? So what is the poem? After my bath. After my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes, and two wet legs and a shiny nose. Just think how much less time I would take if I were a dog and could shake. Yes, and the first stanza, after my bath, I try to wipe myself till I am dry. मैं नहाने के बाद कोशिश करता हूँ अपने आप को वाइप करने की, है ना? पोंछने की. टॉवल से आप पोंछते हो, है ना? तो अपने आप को पोंछने की जब तक मैं अच्छे से ड्राई ना हो जाऊँ, सूख ना जाऊँ, यानी कि मेरे बॉडी से सारा पानी सूख ना जाए. In these lines, the child says that after his bath, he keeps trying to wipe himself till he is dry. Next, hands to wipe and fingers and toes. Hands को भी वो पूछता है ना? And fingers को भी and toes को भी and two wet legs और दो गीले पैरों को भी and a shiny nose और चमकीले नाक को, है ना? Here he tells what parts of the body he has to dry. Yes, he says that he wipes his hands, his fingers and toes. He also dries his two wet legs and his shiny nose, है ना? Then next, just think how much less time I would take if I were a dog and could shake. अब वो क्या कहता है? ज़रा सोचो कि मैं कितना कम टाइम लेता, कितना कम वक्त लेता इफ़ आई वर अ डॉग, अगर मैं एक डॉग होता, एंड कुड शेक शेक शेक, और मैं क्या कर पाता, शेक शेक शेक, है ना। In this stanza, the little child asks the reader to do some imagination. He says that what if he were a dog, how much less time he would take to dry himself. He would just to make him dry by shake, है ना, by shaking himself. So, children, here we have a rhyming words just like try, dry, है ना, try, dry, toes, nose, and take, shake, है ना. 3 pairs of rhyming words: try, dry, toes, nose, take, shake. Okay. So, children, how did you like the poem? I am sure you all were liked it. So, here is a new words. Dog. Dog means an animal that barks and is often kept as a pet. Now, next is how. A word used to ask a question. Met means past tense of meet, है ना. Try means to do something with some effort, and 2 means the number that comes after 1 and before 3. Okay. Now thank you. Have a nice day.